Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to discuss about the motion and its types of motion. So, children, we have discussed about motion, the position of rest and the position of motion. But what do you mean by motion? What is the definition of motion? So, children, an object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surrounding in given particular period of time. So, children, motion is always observed and measured with the point of reference. All living things show motion, whereas non living things show motion only when some force is applied, or we can say some force is acting on it. So basically, there are different types of motions. First is translatory motion, second is circular motion, and third is oscillatory motion. Children, first translatory motion means imagine if you walk 10 paces first along a straight line and then along a curved line. So, children, do all parts of your body move through the same distance in both the cases? Well, the answer is yes. They move through the same distance in the same time. No matter whether you move along a straight line or a curved line. So, children, the motion in which all the particles of a body move through the same distance in the same time is called the motion of translation. So, children, this translatory motion is the motion in which all the points of the moving body move uniformly along a straight line is called the translatory motion. Okay. Basically, the translatory motion is of two kinds. First is rectilinear motion and second is curvilinear motion. Rectilinear motion, when a body moves along a straight line, the motion described by the body is called the rectilinear motion. For example, a car moving on a straight road, a train moving on a straight rail track, a freely falling stone, and a coin moving over a carom board. So, children, the second type of the translatory motion is the curvilinear motion. It means when a body moves along a curved line, the motion described by the body is called the curvilinear motion. So, children, if a body moves along a curved path, then it is said to have a curvilinear motion. And the example of it is a ball thrown upward at an angle, and a car or a train moving along a curved road or track is the example of curvilinear motion, as you can see in this diagram. The second type of the motion is the circular motion, or we can say rotatory motion. A motion in which a body moves about a fixed axis without changing its position is called the rotatory motion. So, children, when it moves around a fixed point called its axis. And there are mainly two types of rotatory motion, or we can say the circular motion. First is revolution and second is rotatory motion. Children, revolution means when a body as a whole moves in a circular path, its motion is called revolution and the body is said to revolve. And then the rotatory means when a body undergoes translatory motion in which a way that its parts cover different distances in a given time, it is said to have rotatory motion. And the third type of the motion is the oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion means some objects move as a whole to and fro, or we can say back and forth. So, along the same path without any change in the shape, the motion of such object is called the oscillatory motion. So, children, Examples of the oscillatory motions are a boy on a swing, a pendulum of a clock moving to and fro. So hope children this topic is clear. Any query you can write in query box. So children, today's your homework is to read the motion page number 133, 134 and 135 and learn the different examples of the motion. Thank you children.